Okay. We're going to rekey. Can you see this down there? No. We're going to rekey this knob lock. I'm going to take off the C-ring, C-clip. Use the old key to open the cylinder. This tool keeps the top pins here from flying everywhere. We dump those pins out so there's nothing. Put the new key in. I have some pins laid out here. Put them each of these holes. So now our new key is in. We're flush. If we put the old key in, I'll actually see with the new pins, they don't line up. So that would keep it from turning. So new key, flush. We reinsert. Put our C-clip back on. Nice and tight. We're good. Now we just put it back in. Make sure you got the right direction. I already checked it prior to this. We're going to just put that, pop that right back in there. We have a little tailpiece we got to put back in. Sometimes they're a little tricky. Got to force them in there a little bit. That goes back and forth. We're going to test our key. All right, that will be open. That's locked. So our new key works. Our old key no longer works. Great. And these are the pins I was talking about. So all these little pins, and they go into different grooves. A different style lock. This is for a storm door. I have to remove these hex nuts. But yeah, interesting stuff.